remember that pork loin that I charred at Grill Sergeant's house? Well, it's redemption time. I picked this up off of Amazon. Now, this is by OnlyFire, not OnlyFans. Come on, guys. It's a rotisserie. Now, this is for the Weber, and it's automatic. I got her plugged in. I'm going to do, this time, an actual pork tenderloin, the smaller one. Yes, I got a lot of heat for that. Our mistake. I'll blame that on Grill Sergeant. But I'm going to do a pork tenderloin on here over coals, and we're going to hope for a much better turnout. Not that the one I did prior to was bad. It tastes great. It just looked a little charred. So this thing is just pretty basic. I'll go ahead and slide this out of here. I'll take this in the house and get the pork tenderloin on here. Okay, as you can see, last time the pork loin that we had was much larger. I would say probably 3 to 4 times bigger. This is just a little tenderloin. Let me get this bad boy cut open and get it placed down that rod. Now this time I need to get it down that rod a lot better than I did last time. I can't have it poking out through the bottom. It has to go down the center, straight down the center, down. You can stop. Okay, well, another mistake was made. I did not read that this bag says 2 pork tenderloins. I thought when I was getting this from the store that this was one big tenderloin. It's all starting to make sense now. So regardless, these are very small, not like the one that I had done before. So I'm just going to cut this little end off. It is what it is, guys. I'm still going to do it anyways. Maybe I can stack both of them on there. So we'll get this one because it seems to be a little more symmetric. Slide this off. Now these hooks are obviously much larger than what this is going to be. So the only thing that's really going to be holding it is the center of this rod. Now, I am trying to make sure that this goes on correctly this time. It feels as if it's going down the center. Let's check the bottom. Okay, we're doing much better. Okay. So just going to push that on there. That looks pretty good. Honestly, I think I'm just going to leave this one off for now. I'm just going to slide this back on. Get it in place. I still think this is pretty cool. Okay, so now I've got that rigged up, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go outside, get the charcoal started, get the charcoal in both baskets, and put this on the grill. So, ever been in a hurry and you forget a lot of things? That's today. I stuck this on here without putting it into this. Now, this is actually the same one that I had at Grill Sergeant's house. Disruption. This is what I used last time. And actually, I don't know if I mentioned this in the video before, but this actually has like a buttery, oniony smell. It smells really good. Okay, so no big deal. I can go ahead and just get this seasoned up while it's on here. It's a little not practical to do it this way, but that's what happens when you're in a rush. So I'll just spin it like so, get all the seasoning on, and there we go. Let's take this bad boy outside and get it going. Okay, so if you look in here, you'll see that I've got 2 baskets, one on either side, and I put them parallel to the direction that this rod's going to run, so that I'm getting the right amount of flame on both sides. It's not exactly center. I think I'm going to move it a little bit. Just going to move this basket closer, and then this one a little bit closer. About like that. Okay. Now, all we need to do is turn this bad boy on. Oh yeah. Ain't that something? Now, if you're wondering, those coals are super hot, and it is definitely hot to right there. I can't keep my hand there, so it's not going to be a situation where this is so high up off the coals that you're not going to get anywhere. You will. So I'm going to get this covered up. I'm going to try to get the temperature about where I want it. I'm thinking 350, maybe 400. And we'll check it in about, I don't know, 15 minutes. All right, so I think it's only been about 20 minutes, and I believe because this fire is extremely hot, I don't even think I needed to put the lid on. I'm using my chef's temp probe, and I'm 170 in some places, 180, which is a little higher than what I wanted, 170. But honestly, I think maybe just a couple more minutes and we'll be ready to take this off, go inside and cut into it, and check it out, folks. It is not super charred like last time. It's looking pretty good. It's got a nice finish to that skin. I think it's finished. It's not overdone. It's not underdone. I'm gonna take a cut out of the middle. Ooh, yeah. It's definitely juicy. So let's see. I'll cut a piece about yay thick. Whoops. Come on now. I think I need to sharpen my knife. Look at that piece. Okay, time for a taste test. I think it looks pretty good.
Oh my God.
I know you can't taste this at home, but that is good. It's perfect because it's juicy, tender. It's not like over chewy. Now, smoke ring, not much of a smoke ring, but that's okay. This came out pretty good. I think what I will do for the next video, or the next time I use the rotisserie, is I will get the actual pork loin, which is much bigger. This is just very small.
That was good.
Hey, if you don't mind, hit the like and subscribe button, and I will keep bringing you more videos that give you the inside scoop on how not to screw up or how to screw up. That's what this channel is about. I'm Tyler Lone Star Smoke. We'll see you next time.